Hello everybody. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Strava weekly on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we're scrolling down until you find this window of Strava and we click. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your